Welcome back to the second part of the wheelchair to recumbent build. So in the last episode I was working on these plates and getting them kind of together and lined up with the wheel and everything like that, and I kind of talked about how the center point steering and how I used the triangle calculator to get this 10 degrees, and that seems to work really well. I didn't go and make a whole lot, but I did make the boom. I kind of want to show you what I did here. So I took a piece of round tubing that I have. This is 16 gauge down here, and then I had two pieces of 11 gauge square tubing, 1.5 by 1.5. So in making this, I really made a mistake, because whenever I put my wheels in and I was kind of checking these out, my wheel to wheel center is like 35 inches with this, and this to this is really not very far at all. I think it's 26 inches or something like that, but I was thinking that I had, a couple of inches per side, and I underestimated that. So that actually ended up being 35 inches. So my plan today is to cut this in half, and then I'm gonna go ahead and notch, put it like a little fish mouth or bird's mouth, notch in the bottom of this after I cut it in half, and then get my center brace tube, and then I'm gonna go ahead and weld it all together and bring this in. I think I'm gonna actually shoot for about 32 inches. So I'm gonna cut out about 3 inches out of the center of this. That's the plan. so got a lot together. I got the piece cut like we talked about. Got it notched. Got the kind of the backbone welded in. Got the back piece here put in. I think overall this is looking really good. I really like the kind of the shape of this. I think it looks really cool. This side, of course, that's a little warm, but that'll go on there like that. That's pretty much it. Let's see if we can get a view of that. Alright, so this is going to conclude part 2 of the wheelchair to recumbent video series. If you really like what you're seeing, please give me a thumbs up. If you're into this build, definitely subscribe so you can catch part 3 of this video, which is going to be building the back triangle and attaching it. I'm probably honestly going to be building that from scratch. I don't think I'll be cutting a bike apart to get that. I will be sourcing a bike for a back wheel, of course, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely stop by for the next one, and thanks for watching.